Hey guys, what's going on? Basically a short video for you guys today. I've had a few people contact me asking how to actually change out the fog light on the Z. Fortunately, I need to pass inspection, so I actually need to change out my fog light. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys to do today. So your first step, real simple, all you have to do is take out these two Phillips head screws. And then basically what we'll do is disconnect the lights from their connectors and be able to pull this actually turn signal out, because what we need to do is put our hand in and actually come from behind this fog light and be able to take it out. So now from here, basically what you want to do is actually push the front end of the turn signal in and then pull it out this way. There's a little clip here with like a little piece of plastic. That's how it gets set up. And then here's your connectors. So all you got to do is disconnect these, and that's it. Bang, bang. Then just put this off to the side. And then what you got to do is there's a connector right here. So you're going to disconnect that connector. And then there's a couple of 10 millimeter bolts. So there's one here and then another one on the other side. And then one on the bottom. So one down here, and then one adjacent to that on the other side. So again, 10 millimeter bolt there. And we'll take that off and it'll slide right out of the front. Okay guys, so now since I have the housing off, this is basically what you'll see is this is where the 10 millimeter bolts were in that triangle pattern. And now basically I'll show you how to actually take this housing apart, which you want to be very careful about. I'll show you how to take it apart and switch the bulbs out. Alright guys, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is actually look at these 4 screws here, and all we're going to do is remove those. So you just take those out and then this housing will come apart. But again, like I said, this gets very brittle over the years, so just be careful. Alright guys, so now I have those screws out. Basically you do this. That white strap is your battery, your light. And all you have to do is this little tab here, you're going to push down and move forward. And then that lifts up. And this frees your bulb. And that bulb is completely shot. I'm trying to focus on you guys, but can't do it. But yeah, it's shot. Basically, all it's going to be is this here. So your replacement will be this whole entire wire here. So then all you'll have to do is just put that back in and set it back up, and then you'll be all set. There's nothing like you can do for like replacing the bulb or anything, because it's connected through this whole hard wire here. So yeah, so that's basically it. So I already have mine on, so I'm about to put mine on and then set it back up and get this back in the car. Alrighty, so everything's put back together, everything's all set, so now we're just going to go put this back in the car. So it's pretty simple. All you got to do is just kind of put the connector back in here. Click that in. Slide this right back into place. Pops right in. And then just put your screws back on. And then from here, all you got to do is just put this guy back on. So again, just connect the light back up. Click that in. And then what you're going to want to do is slide this part in here. So slide the front in first. Pop the back in like that. Put your 2 screws in. And basically that's it. The job is done. Just showing you that it's working now. Lights on, fog lights on. There you go. All good. So, job well done. So I just want to tell you guys, like I said, really simple. You can do it. It's going to probably take you 10 minutes to get this done. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's like a 0.5, so not a big issue. But yeah, basically now my car is all set for inspection. All I have to do is put a front plate on, because Massachusetts, you need a front plate. I do have a little bracket that I used when I actually got the car, so it won't, I don't have to screw into the bumper or anything. I'm gonna just put that plate on really fast, and then after there, just take it off and send it for the rest of the year. But yeah, going on from there, I just want you guys to know that we do have decals up for sale. Like I said, DM us on Instagram, shoot a comment to us, or even send us an email at Z-Bruhz@gmail.com. So going on from there, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.